Today we're making a curry baked rice because I just need an excuse to have cheese with everything, and it's just a more fun way of eating a rice. I'll be showing you how to make a basic chicken curry too, so yeah, let's go! So first we're going to be making our easy curry, and we are going to be using store-bought curry powder. I have here about 300 grams of chicken thighs. We're just giving this a very simple seasoning of 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, and we're done. You want to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Basically, you want to be able to get a spoonful of chicken on your spoon with every bite. While that's marinating, I am going to be adding potatoes and carrots to my curry, and I'm going to be boiling this separately first. This is because I really want soft potatoes, and if you add it straight into the curry just like that, it's not going to be cooked enough. It's just not going to be soft, and I want a really soft, crumbly potatoes, okay? While the potatoes and carrots are cooking, we are going to make a paste out of onion, garlic, and ginger. I have 1 red onion here, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and finally 1 inch of ginger, so basically this much. Just dump it all in a blender, add a little bit of water just so it's able to blend easier, and then you will get this paste and you're done. Okay, time to cook. So in a pan, add in some oil, and once it's hot, add in the onion, ginger, garlic paste. Stir that around, and once it's fragrant, add in your curry powder, just 1 tablespoon of it. Any brand will do, this is just store-bought. Optional, but I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder here. Stir all of that powder in with the onion, ginger, and garlic paste, over low heat by the way. And we're basically going to cook the spices first. Stir these continuously for about 5 minutes or so. And then add in the chicken and get that all nice and mixed in with the curry paste. Another optional part, but because I like spice, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of chili powder to this mix as well. Optional, okay? Leave it out if you don't like the spice. Next, I'm adding in 200 milliliters of coconut milk. You can also use any sort of cooking cream that you have. Heavy cream will do as well. Now I like a nice thick gravy, so I'm gonna leave the coconut milk as is, but if you prefer a lighter consistency, then just add in more water or add in half coconut milk and half water. And then I'm tossing in the boiled potatoes and carrots here. Time for some seasoning. Season this with about a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can just give it a taste test and see if you need more salt or sugar, really. And now just let it cook until the chicken is well cooked through. So you can poke a fork through to check that it's all done. So that's how you make a basic chicken curry with the store-bought curry powder. You can be done here and just have this over rice, but I'm going to be leveling this up by turning it into a casserole. Prepare your casserole dish. There's no need to grease it or anything like that, just something like this that you can pop in the oven. Then I'm going to pack my rice in. I have about 1 cup of Japanese rice here, and I love using Japanese rice for casseroles like this because it's more sticky, so it packs in a lot easier. But I mean, any rice will do really. Then ladle on your chicken curry over the top just like this. Try to get a nice even layer of meat and veggies across the bed of rice, okay? Final step, sprinkle on lots and lots and lots of cheese. Whatever cheese you like, I'm using a mixture of shredded Gouda cheese and mozzarella for the cheese pull. Throw these in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. Take it out and voila! Give it a final sprinkling of cilantro and you're officially done.